Nearly 1,000 workers in southern Illinois are now without a job. A letter to employees shows Champion Labs in Albion is closed effective now. In the letter, parent company First Brands Group said they did all they could. The company filed for bankruptcy last month, and the letter says the company has been working on a deal with a buyer for several months now. They had reached an agreement, but just recently the deal fell through, and without a buyer, the facility had to close permanently. Those who used to work there say they feel blindsided and now will be struggling to make ends meet.
I mean, me and my wife both work here, and it's our livelihood, and I feel sorry for all the people that did work here. So, you know, you got the older people are going to retire, and they don't have nowhere to go. Us older people here, it's going to be hard to find a job.
Now, the city's mayor said he's trying to find job opportunities elsewhere for those who are out of a job, and he said there will be job fairs and more information given out as soon as possible.